probably the last time that this window will ever get licked. Guys, welcome back. We are working on the Tacoma today, and you're not going to believe what the gears look like on this rear diff. All right, we just got a major haul of new parts. Well, new used. Front diff, the rear driveline, the front driveline, the rack and pinion power steering with the tie rods, and 2 CV axles for the front. This is really looking pretty good. We got a pretty good deal on all this stuff at about $750. We still obviously need a lot of like internal parts, some trim, stuff like that. But I've got this window coming tomorrow and some injectors so we can see if this thing even starts up. Just want to show you guys this tattoo that I got. Check it out, it's a dinosaur fishing. Dean got me that tattoo, our 4-year-old son. All right, guys. I've gotten down to where the injectors are. This injector has kind of some sort of melted looking crap on it, which is pretty concerning. Are you wanting to help out, Dean?
No, I want you to hold. I need to grab this. I need to show
Here.
all that.
Okay, go show them your project.
Hi. So down there is that tied, and that tied right there.
That's cool, Dean. Nux. Give me some nux, brother. Love you. Luckily, I mean, back from Mexico, 1,000 miles south into Mexico, made it all the way back here. In there.
Dad,
I did clean the lower seals with my mouth, which is gross. It's just funny to me to think that the last time this was touched, it was a thief taking it apart, and now here I am putting the same parts they took off back on it. Oh, mother bear, I just dropped that. I'm just gonna jump power to it and see if it'll start. Got my handy little jumper there. I'm way nervous. Stuff did turn on, so something is happening. Oh my gosh. If it starts up, I'm gonna be so happy. I'm gonna be so freaking happy. If not, it happens, you know. There's a lot of wiring stuff that's been torn out of this, so I'll understand, but fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. Here we go.
Dad, ready for the video.
Hang on, bud.
Okay.
Yeah, baby, that's what I'm talking about. Oh, we've got a little bit of a situation. Quite the leak going on. What do you think, Dean?
Bad boys.
Bad boys.
What are you gonna do?
Is that the cop song?
Bad boys, what are you gonna do?
Well, here's the rack and pinion. We're gonna be replacing that. That's dripping right there. Oh, oil cooler.
So then,
Is this the, oh, it's red. It's transmission. It's the transmission oil cooler.
Probably, this is red gas, and it got out.
Red gas?
It got onto here. It went there, it slipped and went down to there and dripped.
That's right. It's dripping from right there. There's a little thing right here called a transmission cooler. And so air passes over it to cool down the transmission oil. Oh man, I got some on my hoodie. Oh well. Yeah, let's see. Oh, frick. Where's that going? It's definitely was puking out of that. And then, yeah, I ran over to this side. Okay, not bad. There's a hose disconnected that should be connected. It looks like it's coming out of here. Yeah, that's like purple.
Dad,
what's up, Dean?
I'm excited of this. I'm so excited to drive this.
You're excited to drive this?
Yeah.
Hey.
I'm excited to shoot it. Stuff.
To shoot stuff? To go hunting with it?
Yeah.
Me
I'm
too.
So excited.
And that right there is why I'm doing this truck, even though it's a lot bigger project than I thought. Ah!
Dad, back up.
Man, look how beautiful these mountains look.
That's way beautiful. Like,
We are so lucky to live here. All right, guys. Today they're letting me go check out the Tacomas in their yard, see if I can't find that bracket for the front differential as well as the front transmission cooler. So we're gonna try to find that so we can get it back on the Tacoma. Hopefully get it so that it'll run without spitting transmission fluid everywhere. Man, quite the graveyard. Let's see, I don't want to miss them. That orange thing looks kind of like a Tacoma. Yep. Okay. To be honest, I was looking at that orange one, which is obviously some kind of Chevy, maybe the Colorado or something, but this one is a Tacoma. Let's see. Oh man. Well, it looks like they take complete cuts out of them. That's pretty nice. That's kind of cool. You know what? This right here, guys, is the bracket that I need. Shoot. Awesome. Heck yeah. Perfect. And it's already removed. I guess maybe while they took the front diff out of this one, they must have just kind of left it in here. So that's great. I should have held off on the window. That one looks to be about the same tint as the one we've got, but that window just arrived from eBay today. Yeah, that front diff is gone. Oh, here's where that sits right there in the front diff, and then it's bolted on up here. I do need some more interior parts for that, and I'll have to ask him if I can come back. I just don't want to remove anything without permission. Let's see what else. I always liked this cement gray color. That looks really nice. Oh look, here's another one. How funny. Now, this one's still got that part in there. Front diff sits in there and screws in here with these arms, and then that supports it as well. Oh man, I just came up on a TRD Off-Road. Oh man, but the rear axle's gone. That really is too bad. Looks like an older generation anyway. At least we got this. So far, we're finding a lot of good stuff. I got this original jack out that I'd like. It hasn't been used. I'm sure it's good. I've got to say, this is the first time I've seen peacocks at a junkyard. What the heck? Look at that guy's tail. Holy cow. Oh, gobble gobble. What's a peacock make? What sound does a peacock make? I don't know. I just paid for all that stuff and it came to about 125 bucks. And the last Tacoma we've got to look at is this nice, again, a cement gray color. Ooh, some Bilstein shocks. Pretty nice. I'm just gonna look at it. Looks like we've got another complete exhaust. I'm just not, this is a Tacoma, isn't it? Oh, fresh. Is this a Tacoma? Is this a Tacoma? Uh-oh. We're crazy. That's a Frontier. We're looking for a Tacoma. I'm crazy. That's the last Tacoma that they've got here. This one does have the exhaust. Trim pieces are there. Stereo is there on the ground. Stereo housing is there, but just not in the best shape. Wonder if the headlight housings are still here. Mine is chopped like right here. So I would need these. Let's get these parts on this truck. You know, I can't just keep buying parts. I gotta put it together. There's the truck. Yeah, Jebediah. Let's see. He charged me 45 bucks for that. That's this piece right here. There it is. I hope that this is the same color. Oh, just kidding. We also got, let's see, $45 for the jack. Dang, so that was it. That's all he charged me for. Oh, that's really nice of him. Over here on the floor of my passenger side, along with some Tony's Chocolonely. This is the OEM jack that fits underneath the rear bench. So that's way nice. 75 bucks is quite a bit, but not when you factor in this sucker. This is to remove that spare tire carrier. So that's actually, you know, it locks in there and stuff. I've seen these. I've been looking for one for my F-250, and the key is like $45. The little bit. Oh, I actually should open this up. The things for the jack, and then the key, little like kind of tire iron, you know, type crowbar thing. I'm excited. It's Friday, so I'm excited because of that, and I'm ready to wrench on this. So I'm gonna go in and get my kids. I bought my kids a 2-liter root beer, which, you know, you can't go wrong. And yeah, I'm gonna hang out and maybe chip away at this thing. I know the passenger window came, and I would like to get that in before it rains. It's probably at least been a couple months since it's been sitting in the Phoenix Copart. Got to clean out all the glass, got to take the door panel off, and then put the new one on and hope that it's tinted and that the tint matches what's on there, because then that would save me a little bit of work. I don't know. Alrighty. Whoa, this is really light. I'm surprised. You want to see it?
Yeah.
Hey. Ooh, I don't want to hit the tint. That would be bad. It does look, it looks pretty dark. It might be the same tint that was in there because he had it tinted pretty dark.
Dad,
at
look
least
out
check
the
out.
window now. Dad,
All right, here I go.
Kiss
What? Yeah. Hi.
He can see me.
Hello. Woohoo. Heck yeah. Oh no. Look at this. Tacoma 1821. Our Tacoma's a 2022. 1821 was like 107 years ago or something. 104 years ago. 9997. If that was 6667, I'd be really worried for two reasons. Good stuff is about 130 bucks. Check out these clouds, you guys. Good gosh. Look at these. What? As far as I know, you take this cover off. That was really easy because there's only one of these plastic things left. That's kind of a bummer. Oh, well, you take that off, you take this out. I believe there's a screw here and maybe a screw in there, which I'll have to fish out. I'll have to vacuum up all this glass here. What do you guys think of this metal plate here? You know, it looks like it's supposed to, you know, mount up here so you can start mounting, you know, your phone mounts, GoPros, who knows? I don't know. Maybe we'll keep it. I have no idea. If you've ever wanted to know why I call these connectors Christmas tree connectors, it's because it's a little Christmas tree. Oh, it's so cute. Oh my. Whoa! What? Oh, careful. Careful. I'm rich. Look at all these jewels. Now that the door panel's off, I just had to unplug these. I'm gonna leave this for tomorrow probably. It's Friday night. We're gonna have a movie night tonight with the kids, and I'll rock and roll on this tomorrow morning. All right, we are going to see if this is about the same tint. Oh yeah, I think that's the exact same. Oh, it looks maybe a little different. What do you guys think? Similar enough? I don't know. I can almost guarantee. Now, there's always a chance, but this is probably the last time that this window will ever get licked. I don't know how to put a window in. Okay, we're gonna have to take some trim off or something. There we go. I don't know why I didn't think of this before. We'll go at an angle here. I'm trying really hard not to scratch the tint. I'm gonna get it in there. Lower it. I guess we'll see if it works or not. Hopefully. I don't know. I'm gonna go roll it up. You guys tell me. What does it look like? That does not sound good. Someone smacked something right here. It's a lot better. Let's see. Man, you can see how tore up this got. You know, something totally hit it. Not the biggest deal. I can live with it, you know. I could get a new one of these seals. Could also just... Today, I'm gonna finally get that third member off to see if there's even any gears in there. That's ready to come off. Oh, it had gears. Oh my gosh. Okay, guys, come over here. This is bad. Oh, let's see. A couple teeth make contact. Barely. I've never seen one this bad. How do you get it this torn up? I mean, that is gone. That is shot. Holy cow. Oh boy. Oh boy. Guys, we have found treasure. That is full. We kind of need to get things into place and see, you know, where we're at, but we're gonna have to do some more diagnosis on what else we need to tackle next. The window looks really great, so there's that. Hello. It rolls up and down now. I did have to straighten that piece out a bit. You guys saw that. Maybe a branch or something bashed it out, or someone, I don't know, someone hit it, who knows. I'm still really looking forward to getting this truck going. This is kind of my dream vehicle right here. You know, something reliable, something capable off-road. And this is far from either of those. So obviously I say that, and fact of the matter is this needs a lot more work to even see if it'll drive. So we're gonna keep chipping away at it. I'm actually really enjoying this project. If we can get it running and start using it and taking it on trips and adventures, and if it's reliable. I mean, when I started up the other day, no check engine light, oddly enough, and it sounded really good. I mean, every other light was on the dash, but no check engine light. We got some work ahead of us. Hope you guys are enjoying it, and let's keep wrenching on it. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day. This Honda Civic has cab lights, and then the smallest little spoiler.